Hi, TikToker. So this is a little piece. Listen, I need putty mix or putty filler, and I need. It's not going to be white. It's going to be beige, off white, like the paint that's upstairs at the other apartment. That creamish beige color. So because I block out the window, I had to lock this off and put a curtain there. Now I gotta get the strip to put there, but you know how the finance go. As it comes, it goes. Then this is gonna sand down and spray paint. I'm gonna sand that down and spray paint it so it blends in to the wall. So that's my wall, because it's the 4 feet ply. I didn't bother extend it to there. I just stop it right there. So yeah, that's what that wall that I was telling you about online looked like. I need to get some filler, however, kind of like not gonna make it for this week for the filler or that paint. Then I'm building a floating queen bed to go right there with the lights them. That's where you're putting them? Okay. And this need to tile. And my brethren contact me and said, you can't tile them for me this week or so. So this is the view from that 1-bedroom apartment. The ocean is there. And this area need to be sturdy and fixed up with, I'm not sure that need to be reinforced and stuff. So it's a spiral stairs. So I don't think up there is going to be ready for December. However, I think I might rent my king room and use that for myself for December. All right, so this is what I was talking about. When you look upstairs, that's the apartment, you see the drape. That's the drape I was explaining to you about. So you will just see the drape rather than a plywood. So that's going to be 1 bedroom. This is 1 bedroom, and the other bedroom is around the other side. When you come around here and you go, well, you come through the gate, and if it's a self-check-in where the person already paid and everything, they will go down to there and turn left, and the apartment entrance is right there. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, I'm painting. I need to finish paint this bit. Just fixing up the place. I changed my door lock because the one that was there before, the motor break, and the guy came and changed it, so I don't have to fight to get in anymore. Yeah, that's it. So the apartment